Hi everyone, today we're going to make a super delicious lasagna soup. Let's start by adding 1 pound of ground Italian sausage and 1 pound of ground beef to a pot and cook on medium heat until browned. Once cooked, remove any excess liquid or grease from the pot, leaving just enough to cook 1 chopped onion, so that's about a tablespoon or 2. Move meat to one side of your pot and add your onion. Cook for about 2 minutes, then add your minced garlic, about 6 cloves. You can add more or less depending on your taste. Then start mixing into the meat. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chopped basil, either fresh or dry, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, ½ teaspoon of red pepper flakes, then mix. Add 2 tablespoons tomato paste and mix until well combined. Mix in 2 14.5-ounce cans of tomato sauce. And 1 14.5-ounce can diced tomatoes, then stir. Now we're mixing in 2 teaspoons of sugar to balance out the acidity. Next, add 5 to 6 cups of beef broth and stir. Mix in 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, add 2 bay leaves, then bring to a boil, stirring occasionally. Once it comes to a boil, reduce heat to medium-low, cover, and simmer for 5 minutes. Then simmer uncovered for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to remove the bay leaves. Next, you're going to break up lasagna noodles into desired bite-sized pieces. We use 10 sheets. You can use more or less depending on your preference. Cook the pasta until al dente. Make sure to follow instructions on the package. Stir occasionally. Now it's time to make the delicious ricotta cheese mixture. Start by mixing 15 ounces of ricotta cheese with 4 ounces of cream cheese. Add ½ a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and ½ a cup of Parmesan cheese and mix well. Mix in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chopped basil, and 1 teaspoon chopped parsley. Salt and pepper to taste. Remove from heat and you're ready to serve. It's time to pour this mouth-watering soup into a bowl and add a hefty scoop of that luscious cheese mixture. We hope you liked this video and consider subscribing, and enjoy.